Welcome, creatives. It is Tuesday, and I am continuing to add a new layer to the face and the body and the hands and the arms. So today I'm focusing on the face, adding a new layer, taking my time to get through some of the funkiness that was bothering me about the mouth area and the eyes and so forth. So adding a new layer. This isn't the finished layer. I'm going to continue to build up layers until it gets to where I feel comfortable, where I want it to be. Each layer is just a new set of information that is building up, and as I add new layers, I add more information, and it grows and it becomes the painting that I have envisioned in my head way back when I was developing and brainstorming for this painting. So that's what I'm working on today. I did a little bit of work afterwards, later in the evening. But most of this lesson today is just kind of adding a layer to the face, slowly working through it. The rest of the week, I will continue to add additional layers to the hands and the arms and so forth. So let's get started. Happy Tuesday, happy creating, and let's create something amazing today.